Hey y'all, welcome back to another banger. Today I had my Play-Doh sitting out, so now I'm gonna just show y'all what happened to it. It did not dry up all the way. I have to be really quick because my mom's iPad is on 5%. So this is the Play-Doh, so I have to hurry up and do this. Because I had lotion and all that water and all that, so I have to let it dry. So y'all, this is not what I was thinking. It was been sitting out for a long time, but it's still sticky. See? It doesn't stretch because it's not slime. It's like dough. That's what it's basically like. It feels like dough. Really wet dough. Like pizza dough. So yeah, this is basically the update. Well, I never did the first update. This is like the first update ever. This is about to go dead, so if it goes dead, and I post this next week. Today is Thursday, and tomorrow's gonna be Friday. So yeah, if I post this next week. So yeah, it's gonna tell when I posted, not when I filmed it, when I posted it, when it came out. Yeah, stay subscribed because y'all don't know when I posted again. Oh my god, so it's like a pizza now, basically a pizza, pizza. Mamma mia! Oh! I got on the wall! Oh god! It's on the wall. What is wrong with you? Mama? Is that coming off? I don't want to get in trouble. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. I don't want to get in. This is all I can get off. Come on, please. No, I'm going to be in so much trouble. You're going to kill me. I'm going to get grounded again. Please stop. No, I don't want to get grounded again. This is going to see me. I'm scared. It's going to kill me. I'm scared. Please. This is all I can get on. Stop. Okay, it's off. I turned the tablet off. It's on the wall. When I turned the iPad off. Yeah, I turned it off. She's gonna kill me. I got it.
You got it?
I like to guys. Stop, Winter. Stop. I want to play on the tablet first. I want to play on the tablet. I'm playing on the tablet. I want to play a game.
I played the game. Did you?
Come on, Winter. Let's go. Bring the tablet with me. Okay, let's play. Winter, guess you just got a basketball point. I did, so beat that sucker.
No.
What's this? Beats to dust.
Beats the dust. I did. I'll be the dust.
No one beats the dust.
I beat the dust.